Hi, my name's Jason. This is our project, and I'm gonna let you guys figure out if we're crazy or just insane. It's a 2013 Ford F450. That's a 6.7 liter. There's my daughter. How are you?
Oh.
So, this thing has been in a flood, and we are working on it, and we are trying to figure out what all needs to be replaced. It's had some major water damage for sure. Over there, we've kind of got started on it. We've got that window working good. Right now we have no power to our dash, our radio, any of our instrument or our center console. We have a new one of those coming. New dash has been ordered. I believe we have to get those programmed when we put them in, at least the dash, the cluster. But we have a few different things going on. We've gotten a few things right now. When I plug these batteries in, we are getting, off with the hood with one hand. The flashers are coming on. What I need to find out is, I know the horns don't work. They're tucked down in here. I don't know if you can see that, but they're in there. So I know they don't work. I don't know if an alarm is going off, or for some reason our flashers are going off. But as soon as I plug that in, you can see right there, our flashers are going off. So we're going to plug this back in, test the horn, see if we're getting power to the horn. So we're slowly going through all the electronics on it and trying to figure out what's been corroded. We've got 2 new batteries in it. We have cleaned the air filter. It was clean, it was dry. Checked all of our connections here. It was cranking over, but I don't know if it is. We've kind of gone through these fuses down here. These fuses, we have power to them now. They've had quite a bit of water in them, so we are slowly going through this. I don't know if anyone else is taking on a project like this. I'm hoping we can get everything going. This is actually my dad's truck. Let's see, the light might not be very good back there, but so I don't know if the key one works. Not really looking like it. And I don't know what's gonna happen if we try to start it right now. See, now it's just clicking. Sorry about that. We had it going. I don't know if I unplugged something. it wasn't supposed to be unplugged in the dash, or what, but let's go ahead and see what voltage we have on this horn. Because if the horn's going off right now, we got some other issues. You guys can see right there or not? Right now, that in there doesn't look like that horn is going off. I don't know why the flashers are going off like that. Let's see if I can find the ground here. I have tested the horn and we have power going to it, but this is our project, trying to figure out why the flashers. I did undo that console. I'm wondering, there are broken pins. I hope you guys can hear me, it's kind of windy out here, but there are broken pins, and the back right here on this connection, which controls all of this. Now all this is kind of, buttons are stuck, so we have a new one coming. But shut it up. It looks like we gotta place that. Still don't know why we, but I mean, it has sticks in it. Seats are pretty nice. I think the company we bought it from cleaned up the interior so they could sell it to us. We do have a bunch of parts in the bag. That we've been trying to order a new one. I don't know if we can put an aftermarket unit in, or I got one now. If we can put an aftermarket radio in, or if we have to go with the stock setup, because the stock setup's very, very expensive. If anybody knows where to get some of this stuff at, a little cheaper than we can, that'd be great, because I think we're gonna be a lot of money into this thing. So it's down here. TCS. Let's see what that plugs into. Sorry, I'm not very good with the camera today, but this is our project. As you can see, it's pretty hammered. So we're just going through it nice and slow, getting some parts coming. When I run when I read the codes on it and run the data, it looks like it has about 100,000 miles on it. We're hoping everything works, but cross our fingers. If you guys know what to check, I don't know if anyone else has dealt with flood vehicles. please let us know, and we can go ahead and see what we can do to get this thing going as soon as we can. Be nice to get it going. So anyways, my name's Jason. Hopefully everything is going good for you guys, because I'm working on a Ford, so it might be kind of interesting. Have a good day.